Hello and welcome to another episode of the Urban Farmer channel. Now I thought I would explain something, or I'll show you something pretty exciting that even I found a little bit unusual. The guys that whose house I'm at today have a bunch of chickens. Basically it's just a normal suburban backyard. He doesn't even know how many chickens he has, so they've got a massive backyard here, but their neighbor also decided to give their own backyard as well, so they've got plenty of chickens pretty much just roaming around everywhere. The funny thing is that half of the chickens end up being in the chicken coop, right? A lot of them are going to go in the chicken coop at the back, which is just here. But a lot of chickens, which I found super interesting, actually sleep in this tree. So at night, what happens is that when, sort of just before dark hits, what they'll do, the chickens will sort of come down here, jump on this first stump there, and then they will jump on the fence and back onto the tree. I thought that was super exciting. I've never ever seen that before. And the good thing about this is that, let's say in places like where we are, and there are a lot of foxes, and if you do have a tree, the chickens are pretty happy to sleep in a tree like any other bird. So there you go. That's the tree that the chickens sleep on. To be honest with you, I would have never guessed it myself. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to subscribe, the subscribe button is down there, and if you want to give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.